Okay, welcome back. So today I'll be going through probably the most mysterious plugin in FL Studio. So I'm going to add a plugin here and it will be Autogun. So when you load up Autogun, you get greeted with this broken drone preset. Sounds like pretty harsh, bit basic, but you don't get any options with it. So this is how it comes, and you can hit forward, backwards, some arrows here. You got this big knob here, and then you got this other knob here and this help button. What do all of these do? So first, these arrows, just to select random presets. That's alright. This is a mix master level, so pretty basic again. This is labeled Magic Dust. So you can see when I hover over it up there, it's got Magic Dust. This is pretty much just a Sound Goodizer preset. So Sound Goodizer, again, bit mysterious. That is just a Maximus preset. So there's 4 options in Sound Goodizer, A, B, C, D. They're all different Maximus presets with a bit of saturation. And this is just one Sound Goodizer preset. So it's presets and presets, but it all comes from Maximus pretty much. Then down the bottom we've got this keyboard, pretty basic, and we've got this help button. So if you click on that you get some more options. But where do these presets come from? So they actually come from Autogun. This is a synth, I'll bring it up. So they come from this. There's 4 billion of them. 4 billion presets in here. Oh yeah, here we go. So yeah, current preset number, and you can see 4,294,967,296 presets. That's a lot of presets. One of the most mysterious things about this is how do they get so many presets? Now, there's no concrete FL Studio evidence, no official evidence about this. That's why it's so mysterious, really. But there's a couple theories. One is that they don't have 4 billion presets. The other theory is that these are all computer generated. They were computer generated a while ago and they're just stuck in here. I lean towards the second theory, but you can never really know until FL Studio makes a statement. But then there's also the fact that there's a comment, so info and comments, for every single preset. It's got a little comment from William P, Ginsu, or Donatello, or the Enforcer. So they've all added some comments on every single preset. So I'll enter a random number. And then there's another comment from Ginsu. Now there is no way that a group of 4 people on average have made 1 billion comments that are like 20-30 words long. Absolutely no way. I think FL Studio ImageLine said themselves that if you were to listen to one preset, so every preset for 1 second, it would take like 130 years. So there's no way they've done this. But what people reckon is there's an algorithm inside of Autogun that when you bring up a preset, it matches it to the closest actual preset inside of Autogun, and then it brings up a comment. So there's how many presets? Not too many presets here. So they reckon, there's a theory at least, that all of these presets, these random presets, get quickly assigned a preset that sounds the closest to them, and then the comment that goes with that close preset goes onto this preset. Now, I'm not sure where they got the names for, what they got the names from. I mean, they could also be preset names. Like, there's got to be like 1 billion big atmosphere things. I'm pretty sure that's got to be Autogun presets again, or they've just came up with a lot of words and again matched them to each preset depending on how similar it sounds. But that is pretty much it. There's processing qualities, bit of a meme as well. Huge waste of CPU. I don't think they care about this plugin too much, to be honest. There's a homepage, Autogun homepage, Maximus and Sound Goodizer, so that's how you can tell it's just a Sound Goodizer knob. It also says it in the plugin notes in the FL Studio manual. But there is a Reddit, a subreddit. It's like 300 members or whatever. But it's got a list of some cool presets people have found. So like... So people are just typing in random sequences of numbers, just memes, and coming up with some sounds, and then if they like the sound, writing it down and posting it into that Reddit. But that is pretty much it. So, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and check out Autogun if you can.